Okay, all students, when you come back to school later this month, or if you are already back in school like some are in this country, please do not pull or tamper with the fire alarms at school, or else you will get a suspension and no education. I hope that the students that are back in school right now, I hope that they are not tampering with the fire alarms in their schools. If they tamper with the alarm, then no education. Every year around this time, when we go back in a couple of weeks, I hope everybody takes my words of advice very seriously and not tamper with any of the fire alarms in these school buildings, because these things are to protect students and teachers from fire emergencies in schools. So if you tamper or pull them for fun, you will have no education. I mean it. The good thing is that none of the fire alarms at any of the schools I attended were tampered with. And I hope that never happens. But the bad thing is that there were some students that did pull the fire alarm just to get out of class for a prank, to skip a test, for fun, or they thought it was funny, and to scare people. That was bad. They learned their lesson and never did it again, and I hope that never happens again. That is why most schools have stopper covers over pull stations, so fire alarms are not pulled to get out of class or anything like that. Bye.